All right, we're starting off with our Grand's flaky layers that we split on our sheet pan. Next, I'm coming in with my pepper jack cheese slices. Now, I'm using pepper jack because it is reminiscent of my favorite sandwich. So we're gonna go ahead and split this into 4 pieces, and we're gonna use about 2 pieces per biscuit, and we're just putting it right on top of our biscuit. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious lunch that everyone will love. You could make it for dinner, honestly, it's that good. All right, now I've threw my chicken nuggets in my air fryer, and we're just placing 1 chicken nugget on each of our biscuits right on top of that cheese. I did make some extra chicken nuggets because I love chicken nuggets, so we're just doing that super quick. Last but not least, I have my dill pickled chips, and I'm placing this right on top of our nugget. Now, these pickles are optional. I know some people don't like pickles, but I think this is gonna be so good with everything we're making. So we're just adding 1 little pickle. You can add more if you like. It might be a little bit harder to close these babies up, but we're kind of making an imitation chicken sandwich. You heard that right. We're gonna close these up. I'm gonna go ahead and just cover those cheeses, those nuggets, and that pickle, and kind of just create a little pocket just like so. We're gonna do that with each of our biscuits. This is why I love the flaky layers, because you can just pull the layers apart, put something yummy inside, and close them back up. So we're gonna go ahead and do that with all of our biscuits. Okay, and those are all bundled up. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some melted butter, and we are gonna brush our butter on top of our biscuits just like so. We don't need too much, just a nice little brush on these. This is gonna add a nice golden, tasty top to our biscuits. Now, if you don't wanna do this, you can totally skip it, or if you wanna do a garlic butter, that's totally okay too. But I love butter on my biscuits, so we're gonna go ahead and just go with that, because more butter, more better. Okay, last one. Perfect. Okay, now these are gonna go in the oven at 350 for about 15 to 17 minutes. All right, while our chicken biscuits are in the oven, I'm gonna grab a small bowl, and we're gonna add a generous amount of mayo in here. I'm using Duke's because Duke's is the best. We need about 3/4 a cup. That looks perfect. You guys can measure, but I'm just measuring with my heart because that's the way I like to do it. Next, we're coming in with some honey, and we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of honey right in there. Perfect. And if you guys could guess what kind of sauce I'm making, put it down in the comments, but this is gonna be an iconic sauce that everyone loves. Now we're gonna do some yellow mustard, and we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of our mustard in here. We're gonna just get that right in there. Perfect. And then we have our barbecue sauce, and we're gonna do 2 tablespoons. We're keeping it super easy. We have our 3/4 a cup of mayo, and then our 2 tablespoons of everything else. This is gonna be so good. It's tangy, it's sweet, it's savory, it's everything you need in a sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice to this. We're just gonna add a squirt or 2. Oh, that didn't go in the right place, but that's perfect. It's okay, we're trying our best here. Now, this might seem a little weird, but trust me, it's gonna add some nice flavor, some nice vinegary taste to it, which is just what we need, and we're gonna add a splash of that as well. Like I said, I will put some real measurements in the comments, but I am just throwing this together. Now for seasonings, we're gonna add a little bit of smoked paprika, and we're just gonna get that right in there. Some nice color, some nice flavor, and then you gotta add some garlic powder to this, because garlic belongs in every meal. Ooh, that vinegar is strong. Okay, that looks about right. And then our secret ingredient, our liquid smoke. I know, call me crazy, but this is the stuff. And we're just gonna add a splash because it's really, really strong, but it makes all the difference in this sauce. And the sauce we're kind of putting together here is our Chick-fil-A sauce. Yep, you heard that right. And I know you can buy this stuff in a bottle, but homemade is always better. So we are making a super easy, super yummy Chick-fil-A inspired sauce. But now that our sauce is nice and saucy, we can go check on our biscuits. Oh my, these look so good. They smell amazing. Ooh, this is gonna be incredible. I have my little plates here. I think I'm just gonna go for this one right here. They come right off of our sheet pan. Make sure not to put anything on your sheet pan. Those biscuits don't need anything. And before we dig in. We gotta get our Chick-fil-A sauce, and then let's cut this open. Let's see the inside with the pickle, the chicken, and that cheese. What's that? Oh yeah. Oh, the biscuit cooked up perfectly. Get that delicious pickle in there. All right, let's dip it in. Don't worry, it's all family here. We can double dip if we want to.
Is it good?
This is so good. And that sauce, you guys have to try it. Oh.